everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to transfer crypto from Wealthsimple to wallet. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Transferring crypto from Wealthsimple to your wallet involves a few steps, but currently Wealthsimple has a limited ability to transfer crypto to external wallet. What you need to do is first ensure you have a Wealthsimple crypto account and then check your eligibility. Now once that's done, what you need to do is head over and open up your Wealthsimple app, and then once you are there, be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once there, head over and select the crypto section, then choose the specific crypto you want to transfer. Then once you do that, on the crypto screen, tap on send or transfer on desktop, then paste your wallet address where you want to send the crypto. You can usually find this crypto wallet app, then review the details including the transfer amount and network fees. Lastly, confirm your transfer and then wait for confirmation. Crypto transfer takes time to process. Depending on the network speed, it may take a few minutes to hours depending on cryptocurrency or network load. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.